Hello everyone, just wanted to do a quick video today, just to let everyone know, because I hadn't posted for a while. It was like more than 6 months I hadn't posted any videos, so I got an email from YouTube that they're going to demonetize my YouTube account, and I have 1 month they sent me that email January 15th, I believe, and I have up to February 15th. I needed 800 watch hours again to kind of catch me up. So I managed to get 300, I thought, by releasing a few videos like quite close together. But I still need like a few hundred, so I hope that you'll all help me. I won't do that mistake again. I didn't realize that was a policy of YouTube. If you don't upload for 6 months, that they start counting, you know, your 4,000 watch hour in the 12-month period. So hopefully everyone can help me, and just by going back and like watching past videos or sharing my videos as well, just to help, you know, bring back up the watch hours back up. And I've got like another week left. And if everyone helps me, I probably should be able to do it. If not, that's totally fine. I know it'll get there in the next month or so. And it'll be fun. I'll just reapply for the whole monetization process again. But I was just hoping that I wouldn't have to go through all that again. So if everyone can, you know, just rewatch old stuff they like, or go through the Soapy Tech videos, or if you haven't, if you're not caught up with all the new stuff, definitely help me out by just watching all the new stuff as well. And also just wanted to say thanks for the members as well, and everyone that's just supported me over the years with the channel. Thank you very much. It has not gone by unnoticed, and I think to this day I have replied to everyone's comments, I'm pretty sure. If not, well, apologies, but I'm pretty sure, because I always go through and always reply, or at least heart, you know, where I can. So that's just today's quick video. But tomorrow I'm just doing another video on scenting essential oil soap, because even though I have a video about, you know, successfully scenting your cold process soap with essential oils and how to fix them and how to anchor them down properly, I thought I might do like a new refresher one, because even till this day it's still one of the most common questions I get asked. So that will be tomorrow's video. So this will be going up on Tuesday morning, 11 o'clock, and then the refresher aromatherapy video is coming out Wednesday, 11 o'clock. So yeah, I thought I'd just do a quick video, and thanks again to everyone, and help me get those last 400 watch hours in the next 7 to 10 days, and that'll be much appreciated. And I'll let everyone know if we got through as well. So all right, thanks everyone.